Now we wait for Sai and then we can start. We're gonna do all this together. No running off, okay? Stick together.
Okay.
I said yeah. What if I said I want to run off?
Colossium, just don't.
Well, then you're gonna turn into a Goomba.
You're gonna turn into a Goomba. Don't be what Sky did. And not watch
Don't
the
do
show.
what Sky did.
Wait, hold on. Where does people spawn?
Right there.
They spawn right there.
I know the perfect place to stand. Hold on.
Over here. Just like stand right here.
Hold on.
Just like
Respawn. Respawn. Don't move your mouse or move yourself. I guess.
That's fucking creepy.
This is the last that Sky will see.
Wait, move your face so it's not clipping through your torso.
You know you're crouching, right?
Look at Colossium.
Fuck. Alright, so we all agreed we're going together. We're not gonna be going by ourselves for this.
Pussy! Pussy!
Alright, because I'm recording. Let's do this.
Why? Alrighty.
We have just left where the fuck's Damon? Okay, I'm about to say where the fuck Damon go? Let's go!
It's Mario 64.
Sky's gonna enjoy this. Not the water. No, let's leave Damien be. He will catch up. We'll catch up with Damien. You can double.
Hey, what up? What can I do you for?
Your liver.
Liver.
That's my job.
Yo, Damien, you up there?
I got his liver. Run.
Damien, we're going. Unless he's being undone. Damien, there we go. Wait, where did Sky go?
No, never mind, he can do it.
Oh shoot, go.
Go.
And your liver has been thrown into the water, Colossium.
Hold on, let me do a funny.
Yeah. Here we go. I wish you can pick these up, you can't. Get ready to double jump.
Man, what
Tyler
is this?
jumps
Forces?
perfect. Oh no.
I'm just gonna chill here if y'all don't mind. I'm just gonna chill here if y'all don't mind.
Double jump the what did you just
Double
say?
jump?
Yeah.
Yes!
You have to time it with the jumps. You gotta time your jumps.
Wait, Phoenix, hold on.
Help me!
Phoenix.
Help me!
There's a circle right there.
Oh shit, there is. But Phoenix, tell me if it looks like I jump on his head. Colossium, go back over there.
Colossium looks like he's
He's there.
Joke's on you. Sky was always able to swim.
Guys,
Along with the current.
guys, you may want to move.
Why?
Waterfall. I like how I made it without falling into the water. Wait, I still did it. Oh shit, this guy's drowning. By the way, you can actually drown in this game.
Oh no.
Oh god.
How do we get back up?
So what you need to do is look out. Screw it. Look up when you're going up. Just hope for the best and get out.
Wait a minute. Wait, hold up.
Got it. Awesome, made it. The
Oh, come on! Hey guys, look at me.
cheating bastard. And double jump over here.
Hey Sky, go up.
And now we wait for the headshot. Awesome, yeah, good idea. I've been frozen.
You cannot see me, I am not real.
I've been frozen.
What if I just said no?
Yeah, nah.
Well, I said too bad.
Alright, let's get going. Wait. Guys, come up here.
That is pretty.
Indeed. Would you like to look through? So would you like to look through my
Oh
stuff?
my god.
Dude, that got me the first time. Like, no. Wait, hold on. You want to see a reference that I didn't know, but Frosty found? Guys,
What?
over here. Go down.
We're gonna drown.
No, we're not. There's a reference here.
Said,
What's in here, actually? Okay, quickly, over here. Before you do drown, actually.
Why? Are we actually gonna drown?
This is Mario 64 now, we gotta go.
What?
Have a little health bar.
Water and not whatever. Turn. Hey,
be
Phoenix,
quiet
are you
before
sure that
choose
was
your next words?
That was water.
Wait.
I could just stab you with my cups.
There isn't really that much here, actually.
Man, I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
Hey, Phoenix. Are you sure that was water, or was that the stuff that, or was that part of the metal virus?
This is water.
Okay,
Then
but,
why am
okay. Okay, but how do we get out of here?
Same way, we gotta swim up.
And how do we swim up?
Look up.
Just look up.
For Colosseum, he has to
Okay.
use a space bar, I think. Just look up.
Swim up by spamming A.
Who is spamming?
There actually is an air meter. That's fucking awful.
I had to spam for that.
Zombot.
I got
Just
it.
take off the water. Just take off the water.
I got it. Let me
Because we
just...
said that you stink.
You respawn. You respawn.
We're gonna have to we have to wait for him. No.
No way, you love the game. The game.
Well, here comes the trio. Onwards. So wait here until the platform comes, and then you can start going with it.
So anyways,
That was day.
So anyways,
Platform?
yeah, the platform. See, right there.
Oh shit.
Oh, all of ours are different. This guy still goes last. Oh boy.
Okay, I thought Undyne was actually gonna be behind us.
Dude, later on, you're gonna love what happened. What happens later on. I love how the music actually stops. Go.
Oh my god. Fucking running through the 90s.
Dude, you're gonna love what happens. Let's take the long way. Long way's better.
Oh wait, the long way.
Ice cream shop.
Over here. We're taking the long way. It's more better if we go for the long way.
It's scenic. That's what you mean.
No, I mean like it's actually more better if you go the long way. Damien, over here.
Oh, Damien, stop speed running. You're not
Over
doing
here.
Montage Mario.
Terminal montage Mario.
Do not tell me you fell in the water.
we lost a member. No.
Okay, we're good.
Oh, thank Lord, he's still there. I'll say we lost another member.
He fell in the water.
I'll say, did we lose another member?
I was close to drowning.
We almost was legit saying we about to lose another member.
To the damn water.
To the damn water.
To the damn water.
Watch your step, boys. I love this world. The creator of this world definitely did really good for this. Oh, yes, this. Oh, yeah, follow me, actually. Hold on. Yeah. Come over here.
Love letter.
Wait, does it play it?
Yes.
Alright, we gotta keep moving. My,
Dude, I...
headset's
Oh, it's...
almost dead.
I love this.
Let's keep moving.
Here we go. Did anyone bring an umbrella?
No.
Oh. Wait, Damien! 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 Shit. Don't tell me you went AFK, actually. Damien? We gotta go. Damien, we gotta go. Oh, he crashed. Get going.
We've
That's
lost
two
people
mem-
now.
2 people. And now I'm gonna be the last
Waterfall,
one soon.
taker of lives.
I wonder how you're gonna go off. Oh, I think I might know.
Battery.
Yes. Oh, what location? Oh.
Floofy tail.
Ooh, let's go. It's this place. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love what happens next. Enjoy the video. Don't fall off. I learned it the hard way.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, whoa.
It's a good view, honestly.
This is fucking beautiful.
You're gonna love what happens
You said I'm
next.
gonna love what happens.
Yep. Alright. 3,
Do not tell me we actually get chased by
3,
Undyne.
2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Don't cheat. Go legit. Oh, you're gonna break it. Dude, I love this. I love this part so much. Oh god, you actually take damage. Oh. Dude, you actually take damage. I didn't know that. Over here.
There it is!
Just run for it. Run.
Is Undyne actually after us, or is this just a little event?
A little event which I love. So it makes it look like Undyne's actually after you. Let me... Oh, this part actually got me. Let's get going.
Okay.
Oh, that's a TV.
Oh, that's a TV.
Oh, this part I'm ready to do again.
Wait! No!
Let's activate at the same time. Oh. Backwards.
What?
We have to go backwards. We gotta turn.
There goes the TV.
Shall we?
I did. I'm already turning, but...
Oh, oh! Wow! I fucking love that.
Ow. Again, this map is just a fucking love letter.
It's actually it's fun in the ruins. You can actually do the puzzles, but just seeing how it goes during the waterfall, I'm excited to see what happens for Hotlands.
Are they doing like every area?
Yep,
Trash pile!
I'm pretty sure they did Snowden. I need to go look for it though. Quiet water. Undyne's house. If I remember correctly.
Can we actually go in there?
After you. This is what happens.
That's disappointing, but it's fine. What's this way?
Can't really put that much. I like what they did here.
Lukey! Lukey's a good boy.
Indeed. That's where the pet snails are, and then this is where the rice is. Next place, you are gonna definitely love what they did. Let's see if we can make it before your office.
Undyne, do we?
No, sadly. But I'm kinda glad we don't. Alright, here we go.
Jeez, that drop is brutal.
Brutal, but it looks really good.
Yeah.
And
You don't
you'll love,
actually go
and
along
you'll
with the
like
turn, do
even
we?
more for what we're about to do.
No fucking way. Bing.
So do you
Head
want to go
mushroom.
to Temmie? Or...
Yes.
Alright, Temmie Village, let's do this.
Timmy.
I need to look for a Temmie avatar, actually.
And head pat the mushroom. And head pat the mushroom.
Dude, my first time doing this, I was not expecting what they were doing for the next room.
Actually, hold on. Let me get a small boy. Baby boy, baby. Baby boy, baby.
Let's go. I wish they played the Temmie theme in here. Sadly, we can't really enter the village on this thing. But this is the Temmie village.
Oh, hey! You changed the snunk.
Damn.
Hello, Tim. Hello, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. Hello, Timmy.
Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob. Let's not go for part. Let me change, actually. There we go.
I'm still
This
staying as the
way.
baby boy, baby. Baby boy, baby. Head pat mushroom. Again, whoever did this map, this is just a fucking love letter to Undertale as a whole.
Exactly. I played the ruins when I had to stop the video because I had no idea where I was going. Over here.
Oh, thank you.
I think this is the correct way. I honestly don't remember.
Head pat the mushroom.
Oh god damn, we had to go to the Turn it back on.
What?
The path
Did
disappeared.
you almost fall?
Yep.
So I was right to go this way.
I thought it was that way. Ellie was here for one time.
Makes sense, makes sense. And head pat the mushroom.
And now it's just to keep going until we get to the next one.
Keep it going, going, keep it going, going. Ah, ah.
Dude, I love this part. Yeah, I gotta watch out during this. Be ready and be quick as possible.
What? What?
Shoot, 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 shoot. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Go, 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 go.
Out.
You can't see the path. Just like in the actual game. Please, please, please. Just go right. I'm just taking a right so I can get to this. Ooh, I didn't fall. If I remember correctly, it's this way. You gotta run to the lantern. Reveal path. Keep her going. Take a right and run for it. Then take another right. Run for it. Reveal. And just book it to the end.
Again, this is amazing.
Indeed. I love this. Go. I'm actually sitting down in real life on the ground so I can charge my Oculus. Ooh, I actually never went down here. Actually, hold on. What's over here? Yo, Sky. Over here. What's over here? I never actually gone here. It's actually new for me. What is over here anyway? There's nothing in here. God damn it. Is this where Gaster's supposed to be at or something? Lag. I'm right here. Turn around. Don't tell me I just lost the last member. I've lost the last member of the group. No. Guess I'll finish the rest. I've lost the last member. No. Fudge. Alright. No. Damn it. Sky! Come back. And he's gone. No one else in here, right? Fuck. Let's just end this. Waterfall was fun, but losing your friends in here is not fun. Oh boy. Here we go again. So, we lost 3 of our members. We lost one near the start of Waterfall. We lost the other one at the music box. And then the last one over there. So next stop, Hotlands. Alright. I'm gonna miss this. It was actually fun. I'm not gonna lie. So I know. Okay. It was fun being here. Let's get going.